Hello, good evening. I'm making this video for my students. Recently, many students they are asking me for baluster quantity in Revit. Unfortunately, we cannot take baluster quantity or we cannot take the total steel requirement or total material requirement for the railing. You can only calculate railing length and you can only find where railing is modeled. To give you more brief, I'm going to show you what you can do with the scheduling. Okay, so here, so most of the time for material calculation or material scheduling, we used to use schedule material takeoff, and here you can see unfortunately you don't have railing option. You cannot take material takeoff or railing, you cannot take. So you cannot use material takeoff. Let's try what you can do with the schedule and quantity tool. So go to the same tool and select schedule and quantities, and here you select railing. If you select railing, here you have a extension tool, you have a plus mark. Once you click, and then you can see handrails, support and top rails. And if you take top rail and if you give OK, you can see here the length parameter is not there. That means you cannot find the length of the top rail. Then it's no use. Give cancel. And let's try for another two. Let's go to railing, select support and handrail we have. If you go with the handrails, if you give OK, even here also you cannot find the length parameter here, so you can't find the total length of the railing. Even this is also no use. So what you can do, you can go to schedule and quantities and take railing. Just take railing and say OK. So here you can find length parameter. So you can take type and length. Let's take all the parameter. Let's see what happens. Okay, we have added all the parameter and say OK. And here you can see we have two rows, and I can get the base level, and I have family type, family and type, 900 mm pipe, glass panel, bottom fill, and I have the length. Face information I'm having, and then type parameter, and then type name I have. So that is everything we get from railing schedule. So let's delete whatever is empty. Base level I don't need. Count let it be. Description let's delete. Delete whatever is not necessary. Let's delete. So from railing you can get count, length and family type. So keep this to lost. Okay. So here you can see you can only calculate the length of the railing. You cannot take quantity for the entire steel requirement. So if you want to calculate the panel area, you cannot take. Number of piece of panel you cannot take, number of baluster you cannot take, and number of rail you cannot take. You can only take total length of the railing. That's all for now. Thanks for watching my video. Thank you. Bye bye.